Hey, what's up guys, Jackson here at ToastyDIY, and if you guys have been watching the channel, you saw we recently did a video on the TRMNL X. Well, today we have the older version, the TRMNL OG. So this is their original model that is smaller, cheaper, but still packs the same cool features that you want. So let's get to unboxing the TRMNL OG. So we actually paid the extra 25 bucks for the Clarity Kit, which with that you get a microfiber, you get your USB-C to C cable, which is going to be for charging device. And I will say one of the big advantages of getting the Clarity Kit is you get the extended battery. So we end up going from a stock 1800 milliamp hour, which does last you a pretty good amount of time since it's e-ink. We end up going to 2500 milliamp hour, and that will get you upwards of 6 months of battery life, which is pretty crazy. I did get the clear plastic version just because I've always loved the clear plastic with electronics. You can kind of see some of the internals of it, although there's really not a lot to it. Really, most of what you see is back here. This one's cool. The TRMNL X doesn't have any built-in stand. You kind of have to use this magnetic piece. This one's a little more, I'd almost call it built-in, simple. Just a metal stand. Our USB-C is actually always attached. We have a on-off switch, and what I assume is a reset button. So definitely a little more basic, but it still has all the same functions so far on paper. Of the X, I will say this one is a good amount smaller. The X I think is 10.3 inches. This one's around 7.5. So, you might need to be a little bit closer to see it, but it is still a standard e-ink display. I know the X can also display, I think it's more, I'm not sure, it's 16 something. I don't know if that's bits, but I know this one is 4 grayscale with fast refresh rate. And the actual plastic is ABS. You can get it in black, gray, sage, and you can also get it in the clear, of course. And then another thing the Clarity Kit gives you is the developer edition. So that makes it to where you can make your own apps and integrations, which is definitely something that if you're a tinkerer, you're definitely going to want. And if you want to hang this up, it does have this little triangle piece back here. That is so that you can put a little nail or screw in the wall and you're good to go. This will last, like I said, upwards of 6 months, depending on how often you have it refreshing. Because the cool part about e-ink is once the display populates that image or bitmap image, it actually uses no power, no electricity needed. It only uses power whenever it's refreshing to display something different. So the less refreshes that you do, the less screens you have, if you do like the sleep mode, which I have set at home, it'll last a really long time. There's really not a ton to talk about with this, really. The biggest thing is just setting them up, which actually is a lot easier than you would think. Like I said, I know before, the one before actually came with something already displayed. This one's just a blank slate right now. And it should be as simple as the instructions show here. You can use an app on your phone, or in my case, I should be able to connect it to the laptop, because you're basically going to connect straight to the tablet's Wi-Fi. And then you'll get it connected to your actual home network, or in our case, we're going to connect this one to our office network. And then they actually have like a built-in web application where you can change all the plugins, everything you want this little guy to display. So I'm thinking we'll maybe do like some YouTube channel stats. We can even do things like Shopify API integrations if we want to have like, daily sales and stuff like that. We'll probably do like our little Google Calendar. If Trello has an integration, that'd be really cool. So let's go ahead and get it hooked up to the laptop and see what all we get. Okay, so I realized that once you actually turn the device on, the X I don't think had an on-off switch, but we got a little green LED back here to let us know that we're charging. And now you can see it popped up. It refreshed our display. There's a QR code you can scan here, or what we're going to do is we're on TRMNL's website. We're going to do the sign up. We will go ahead and we're going to actually use our ToastyDIY account for this one, because we will have actually a custom link down below that can save you $10, and it also is an affiliate link, so we get a little kickback from it. Oh, here we go. I just realized the ID's here now, so it must have just been, once it turned it on and off, I don't know if it just wasn't refreshing the screen or what. So this will only refresh as of right now. I think it's every like 15 or 20 minutes. So yeah, you can see here it's probably gonna pop up with, in a couple seconds, like a display of how many days is left in the year. And that is just the generic one, but we're gonna be adding our own plugins. Yep, see right here, days left in the year. So we'll just keep that for now. We'll delete it in a few minutes. First thing let's do Google Calendar. That's always useful to have. Here's Matt's phone number, feel free to call him. And then yeah, you can go through and like fully customize pretty much everything you want here. We will keep the month header. Start of the week Monday, that looks good. We can ignore phrases and stuff like that. I like how the example of ignored phrase is wedding anniversary. We can go back to plugins. Let's go ahead and get rid of the days left in this year. So now you can see here connected, just Google Calendar. And then if you go over here, you can do like settings and stuff. So one of the things I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna show you guys how to make it to where it goes to sleep at some point. So the refresh is every 15 minutes right now. This is another thing we can change actually too. We can do text scale. And you can also change like the bit. So let's change this to, we'll try 4 grays. I'm not sure if that'll look better or worse, but we'll try it. So we're gonna have this thing go to sleep basically when we're not here. And then the refresh rate you can change as low as 5 minutes all the way up to 24 hours. We'll keep it at 15 minutes. Normally it'll give you a estimate, right now, estimated battery life 90 days. And I don't think that includes our sleep. Probably be a little bit closer to like, you know, maybe 4 months if I had to guess of battery life, which is pretty good. You only gotta charge it for a couple hours. Make that rewind. That's cool. So it'll go back a page basically. So now we just need to add some more plugins so that we got a little more things. You can see here how it says not displayed yet. That basically means that the device is not yet refreshed to show that current page. And what's really cool is right here, pieces of content displayed. You can actually see every single time something's displayed and what it showed at what certain time. So it's pretty cool. You can really get into like the deep dive of the tinkering part of this, and you can even have it display like little bitmap images and stuff too, which is kind of fun. Of course, we got to go ahead and add the weather. It'll also give you preview displays too. This is exactly what it'll show, which is really cool. So you can see before, so you don't have to sit there and wait, you know, 15 minutes. Okay, we use Tempest 40299. I think let's go ahead and let's see if we can find that YouTube one, because that one would be pretty cool. And we'll make the loop back. We'll do 28 days because that's kind of like the basic YouTube analytic. All right, we saved that. So now we should have Google, YouTube, and the weather. And then this is the really cool thing that you can do. I always have to find this, but there's a way, edit playlist, add plugin. So this, you can make your own custom screen. So if you want to see all three things at once. So we're gonna make one screen that'll do that. So we're gonna do, we'll make the large one our Google Calendar, and then we'll make the other smaller ones our YouTube, and then the weather. You can see we have 4 total slides. We're gonna have a full page calendar, full page weather, full page channel analytics, and then we'll also have the calendar, channel, and weather all inside of one plugin, which is pretty cool. So if you wanna even have like a screen that has up to 4 different modules on it, you can do that as well. So guys, we got our TRMNL OG set up here. Once again, we got the clarity kit, we got the extended battery life, and this thing is gonna reside here. This is right in our office, so right behind us is all of our desks, and so every day we all have to walk through here, whether it's to go to the kitchen or to the film room. So we're constantly walking through here. So this thing is just a super nice display piece because their whole thing is just not being enveloped in apps, you know, not constantly walking around like this glued to your phone, which we all kind of are definitely victims of doing here. This is just a cool piece because you can just be walking by and it's just like having a physical calendar or a physical diagram of the freaking weather every day, or heck, just your YouTube analytics. And I'm definitely gonna add some more stuff as time goes on, but for now, we got our YouTube analytics, we got the Google Calendar, which we need to add some more stuff to more often. And then, of course, we have the YouTube analytics, and then we even have one where it's all 3 in 1, and it cycles every 15 minutes currently, so pretty much every time I walk by here, I get a different piece of information, and it really is useful stuff. Now, it's one of those things where their whole design here is supposed to be you're not spending a ton of money on it, and it's supposed to be almost just kind of a part of your daily routine that you don't, if you miss it, it's fine. If you don't miss it, awesome. You get to see something that, you know, you probably needed to know, like the weather, or hey, you have an event coming up tomorrow, or even something as simple as the weather. I know at my house, I check every morning when I go to the fridge and fill my water bottle, I turn to the left and look to see what exactly mine's displaying. So, like I said, you can have it displaying the most useful stuff to you, or you can have it displaying some really random stuff like Wikipedia fun facts of the day or word of the day. You can have it just display things that are really important to you, or things that you just want to learn as time goes on. Now, what's cool is if you get the developer edition, you can even make your own apps and whatnot, but it's a very open source device is really the end all be all. So whatever you want to do to this thing, you totally can. Actually, we just refreshed. We got the weather, and my windows are down right now, and it says it's gonna rain in a minute. Useful stuff right here, so that's pretty funny. So thunderstorms likely today. I was gonna go to Lowe's, but I'm driving my old pickup truck, so I might just go home instead. I definitely highly recommend checking this out. We do actually have a custom discount link now. It's a pretty awesome win-win for us. So use our code. It should have something to do with ToastyDIY, but I'll have it right here. I'll also have it in the link down below. And we do really appreciate you guys watching today's video. Make sure you check out the TRMNL OG, check out the TRMNL X, just depending on what size and what use case you want. They're both awesome little devices. Make sure that you check out ToastyBros, our main YouTube channel. Also check out PC Bros. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.